so fucking happy you're on.
Hey guys, I'm gonna show you exactly how I lay my hair, how I lay my lace frontal. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those that are new here, my name is Chantega. Welcome, subscribe if you haven't already, and also follow me on my other social medias because I am active there as well. So to start, I start with my got-to-be glue, putting it on the hairline to get all the little baby hairs at the back, you know. So yeah, that is what I'm doing. So now I'm taking my stocking cap and I'm applying it to my head all the way to the front. And I'm taking my got-to-be spray and I'm spraying it at the hairline and a little bit at the forehead, so I can, because I don't want to apply the wig on my actual hair or the glue on my actual hair. So that is what I'm doing. I'm spraying it. For the spray to be dry, and I'm gonna cut off the ear tabs. This step is really important, I'm not gonna lie, especially if you want to do sideburns. So you have to do this step if you want to do that. Now I'm cutting off the other side. There you go. Alright, so now I'm gonna cut off the excess lace, not the lace, stocking cap, which you guys couldn't see because I wasn't in the frame. Your girl isn't seeing so good. I wear glasses, so it's like looking in the mirror so I don't cut myself. But yeah, I was just cutting off the cap, the excess cap off my forehead. So yeah. Now I'm gonna use some foundation to make the cap match my skin. Now I'm using some rubbing alcohol to get off all the makeup and some excess oil, which is really important, especially if you're gonna use the Esha bonding glue. So yeah. Next, I'm using my Esha Absolute Lace Bond Glue, which I'm applying at the hairline of the cap and also a little bit of my forehead. So I'm using a popsicle stick to really even the glue. You really want it to be an even layer. So I'm gonna let it dry completely because I'm gonna apply a second layer. I'm repeating the same process. Except this time, I'm not gonna let it dry clear. I'm gonna let it dry like for 30 seconds. And then I'm gonna apply my wig. This is how it's looking after 30 seconds. So now we're gonna apply my wig. I'm not gonna show you guys how I plug it or anything like that or bleach it. If you want to watch my previous video. So yeah, I'm clipping the hair out of my face, and then I'm gonna start with the middle. You want to take it easy and slowly and take your time when doing this because you can just mess up like really quick. Here I'm taking my right hand comb and I'm gonna press it. So now I'm taking the side and applying it. As you can see, I'm pressing. I'm combing the hair out of the way and I'm pressing it. Do y'all see that? Do you see what I see? Tell me. This process takes a little bit more time because you really want to be precise with it. is how the hair is looking after I glue it down. You can still see some blue glue. The glue is still blue, but it's gonna clear. And yeah, this is how the hair is looking. You can rock it like this, but I'm not gonna do it like this, but you still can though. It still looks cute. I'm creating some baby hairs, like 2 or 3 swoops with my edge brush, and I'm using just some got to be glue. So yeah, so now I'm using my red one wax, and I'm gonna apply it to my hair just at the front. And I'm gonna use my hot comb. And let me tell you, if you are not careful with this, you're gonna get burned, okay? Because I got burned without even knowing that I got burned, okay? I screamed so hard, but you have to be really careful when using this. It's really hot. I'm gonna tell you, it's really hot, okay? So yeah, don't tell I didn't warn you. So I'm really pressing the hair to the back, and this is really your best friend, especially when you're doing your hair and you want it really flat. This is really gonna be your baby. Look at that, look at that lace, y'all. Like, look at that. Isn't it cute? Isn't it cute? So now I'm using my cream and nature mousse, and I'm applying it to the hair, as you could see me doing. And this gives your curls, it make your curls pop even more. It gives it a really good shine. Like, it's so beautiful, you guys. I really love this. And after this, then we are done. With this. Look at those curls, you guys. Like, look at those curls. Tell me they are not cute. Look at them. I really love this hair. This hair is from Iseehair. It's their Brazilian water wave 2850 density. So I really love it. I'm gonna leave a link down below. If you want to go ahead and purchase it, you can purchase it. I really love it. It's really cute. So yeah, I forgot to mention the hair is from Amazon. Is the company is Iseehair, but I got the hair from Amazon, and I absolutely love it. Like, I really love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, beauties.
I'm so fucking happy you're on. I'm so fucking happy you're on. I'm so fucking happy you're on.